Nantizwe lisenhlizweni yami namhlanje ekseni okhosini sifunde lona. Kodwa manje ntambama kulomthandazo ngifuna sibheke uverse number 3 kuphela. Namhlanje ekseni sibheke uverse number 6, but right now I want us to check Psalms 23 verse number 3. Verse number 3. Sanibonani emthandazweni bazalwane. Khona nje umuntu engizomtshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyacabanga ngaye. Enimicabango yakha nayo ngawe ngelinganiswe nalutho. Ya uyacabanga ngawe. Uzathi uDavid uyini umuntu ubumkhumbule kangaka. Oh, uthi wena uNkulunkulu menzile wangaphantsana kukaNkulunkulu.
Psalm 23 verse 3.
My God.
The NIV reads, He restores my soul. He guides me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake.
Please repeat again.
He restores my soul. He guides me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake.
He restoreth my soul and he guides me to the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Ngesizulu bazothi Koshamula haya zodo kadaya ledeke mosadea kodaya masa. He restores my soul. He restores my soul.
Ubuyisa umphefumulo wami. Uyangihola ezindleleni zokulunga ngenxa yegama lakhe.
Thank you, sir. Siqala lenyanga ye restoration sathi God's restoration is not like the worldly restoration, because the world restoration it says leyinto masi worn out, leyinto mase iphelelwe, leyinto masi expired, leyinto masi depleted, then you can take it and redo it again. You can realign it, reshape it. Kodwa i-restoration kaNkulunkulu ithi lokho kwakuyikho kubuyiswa kungaphezulu kwalokhu okwalahleka kuyikho. Kusho ukuthi restoration kaNkulunkulu ithi I depreciate, accounting students, I depreciate value yaleyo asset. Kodwa leyo asset masi restorwa ibuyiswa ivalue yakhona iappreciateile. Sanibonani bazalwane. So kusho ukuthi le asset uma ngabe beyinama cracks enza ukuthi, for instance, an asset called a car ithi iphume garage ibe depreciator ivalue yakhona. When God restores a car, an asset called a car, uNkulunkulu ubuyisa ngisho second lodwa eyathi mayiphume garage yaphuma ya depreciator, ngoba yena eyakhe restoration ithi I will bring it to be better than the original. Sanibonani bazalwane. Namhlanje mthandazweni ebusuku uthi ke uDavide kulenyanga yaleyo restoration enjalo la khona uNkulunkulu ebuyisa iminyaka eyadliwa isikhonyane athi I will bring back the years that the young locust, somebody say the young locust, and the old locust and other locusts has eaten away. uNkulunkulu makabuyisa into eyadliwa isikhonyane akabheki kuqala ukuthi isikhonyane sadla kangakanani, kodwa ubheka ngisho nokuthi uhlobo lwesikhonyane olwadla yiluphi. Awusanibonani bazalwane emthandazweni. Namhlanje ezinye zezinto ebesizoyikhulekela izinto impendulo zakhona ekade zaba khona. Kwasho ukuthi kukhona the young locust. I-young locust umizo destroyer ayibonakala ifana ne-old locust. I-young locust kunendawo destroyer kuyona. Let me put it like this bazalwane. I-old locust ifikidle yona lento ibonakale, kodwa i-young locust ayidli lento, ihambi yokudla i-soul of a person. Koshamana kadaya. I-young locust and other locusts ilezi zinto ezifika ziyothandela kwisoul. Ungakhaliswa into elahlekile, kodwa ukhaliswe into oyicabangayo ukuthi iyenzekile. The young locust has finished with your soul. Noma lokho kudliwe yi-old locust, uma noma ngathiwa khona bekungakadleki kakhulu, kodwa into engidestroyayo ukuthi there is another locust that was busy in my soul. Bazalwane bami, asikhaliswa ukulahlekelwa izinto, sikhaliswa yimicabango esiba nayo ngenxa yokucabanga ukuthi sicabanga ukuthi zilahlekile. So we spend our time being destroyed by the young locusts. Lalela, ipain esizwayo ayenziwa ukulahleka kwento, kodwa yenziwa ucabanga ngokulahlekelwa into. Nikhona emthandazweni. So when the young locust, I call them with deliverance class ngama evil agents, ama young locusts, ngaphambi kokuba isitha sinqoba umuntu simbheka amandla akhe ukuthi angakuphi. Umuntu is a living soul. What makes me alive on earth is because my soul is living. So even if my body kungathiwa umzimba wami unasikandawo, noma kungathiwa umzimba wami healthy, kodwa if my soul can die, I won't be able to live on earth. Nikhona mthandazweni. Umuntu is a spirit that dwells in a body, possessing the soul. Kusho ukuthi ukuphila kwami emhlabeni akuxhumekekile kumzimba wami, kodwa kuxhumekeke kwi-soul. Soul umphefumulo. Maya. Hayi kumoya. Yingakho ofa ekholwa kafi uphila phakade ngoba umoya uqhubeka uphile. Umzimba uye emhlabathini ukuthi wokutshalwa kunokubola. Kodwa kukhona into efayo ebizwa ngesoul, then we say you are dead. So uma ke ilocust izokudla, ihamba iyobheka amandla akho ukuthi angakuphi, bese iyabona ukuthi amandla omuntu akwisoul, ngoba uma isoul ingaphela umuntu uphelile. Phela bazalwane bami, yingakho umuntu ephathwa ucabanga, odokotela bakubize ngestress, ucabanga kuthi uphethe isifo sokucabanga. Odokotela bese basibiza bethi depression, isifo sani bantu akwethu sokucabanga. Kodwa umzimba siwubona uncipha, simbone zaka, lento idla isoul, kodwa isibonakala imphumela kwibody. Yingakho noKristu mayizoshiya abafundi uthi kunento eningayazi enamandla okundestroya, khona seninikiwe amandla negunya. Uqala ubanika amandla negunya, uthi hambani niyokhulula ababoshiwe, niyoshumayela ivangeli, nenza abantu izizwe zonke abafundi bami. Uthi la mandla enginawo ngiyawanika nina. But before I go to John chapter number 14, uzwakale babiza eba ne-meeting nabo, uzobayala ngento ayaziyo ukuthi spirit noma singaba namandla. The spirit, you can carry zillions of power. The spirit, you can have a high voltage of power, but ungayiqaphelanga soul, zikhona ama-young locusts that destroy soul. Usethi kuJesu, I know you have power, kodwa inhliziyo yenu, your soul, let your soul not be troubled. Omunye uzothi, let your heart not be troubled. He's saying, let your mind not be troubled. He's saying, let your emotions not be troubled. What is a soul? Let your heart not be troubled. What is a soul? Let your mind not be troubled. What is a soul? Let your emotions not be troubled. Because you can carry power, but if you are troubled, your soul is destroyed. Let your soul not be troubled. Bese nansi into ezonisiza ukuthi ningabi troubled. Kholwani yimi. Usho kanjani Jesu usinika amandla mangaka ukuthi asiphinde sikholwe? Ungani vele siyakholwa ingakho usinika amandla. No, I know your spirit believes. But can your soul believe? I know you have prayed and your spirit believes. That is why you were because your spirit believes. But can your soul believe? Can your soul believe? Can your mind believe? Can your heart believe? Can your emotions believe? Can your feelings believe? Can your mind believe that what you have prayed for has been granted? Can your heart believe that what I have prayed for, He has granted me? Nomi usazocabanga ubalise ubale kodwa usuthe amen and amen mawuqeda ukuthandaza. Yini esikhathazayo masiqeda ukuthandaza? It's because our soul do not believe. Let your soul not be troubled, but believe. Believe. He has said this is a month of restoration. Believe. What makes us take offense, Mlungis, is our soul. Our soul, our emotions. We take offense in our feelings. We take offense in our emotions. Why? Because we don't. If you can ask your feelings to believe like your spirit, if you can ask your mind to believe like your spirit, if you can ask your heart to believe like your spirit, because I can see in the spirit you are a giant of faith, but I have trouble with your soul. Shakapoto kataya. Mawuke waphuma kulowa mnyango ingqondo isikhohliwe. Mawuke waphuma kulowa mnyango ingqondo isiyabalisa. Can your soul believe as your spirit believe? Kamoya la mahaya, koshola la haya maya, kelemosa. Bazalwane bami, asikhaliswa izinto isithe esizithathile, kodwa sikhaliswa ucabanga ngezinto isithe esizithathile. Kusho ukuthi masingatrain ingqondo ukuthi ayicabanga ukholwa ukuthi uyabuyisela. We must not train inhliziyo ukuthi inhliziyo yamcabanga ukuthi uyabuyisela. Believe, my heart believe. Believe. Sometimes we take offense in the word of God. When the word is being preached, I heard we were praying about offenses. Sometimes we take offense when the word of God is preached. And it's simple because When the word of God is preached, it enters in our ears and go through our soul. So what take offense is the soul, because the soul does not believe the word. Look at your neighbor and say, let your soul believe the word. Sometimes we declare, I'm the head, I'm not the tail. I'm the first, I'm not the last. And you know why we keep on declaring? We want our soul to write it down. We want our soul to believe it. We keep on saying it like we are mad people, because we are busy wanting our soul to record it. I'm the head, I'm not the tail. My soul believe I'm the first, I'm not the last. My soul believe I'm blessed coming in, I'm blessed going out. My soul believe I'm blessed in the valley, I'm blessed in the city. My soul believe. I want my soul to believe. We keep saying it until our soul believes. When the soul believes it, when the soul is pregnant of it, and I receive news that are not aligned with what my soul believes, and my soul repel and reject those news, because my soul believes. That is why you have to be careful of what you allow your ears to hear, because whatever that the ears can hear, it goes to the soul, and whatever that your soul is pregnant of is what you will believe. I can tell you now, ngithi ungaphezulu kwabanqobi, kodwa uma namhlanje usuku lonke bewuhlalela ukulalela abantu abathi uyilutho, awusoze waba yilutho, akukho kuyoba kuhle ngawe. Even if I can tell you through the word that when you are more than conquerors, already your soul believes that you are nothing, it means you can't take it. So let's funda khona sesiye emakhaya. Uthi David, he restored my soul. Bengithi ke mina into erestore-wayo umlungisi into esuke idliwe isikhonya. Kuyenzeka yini nomphefumulo? Kuyenzeka yini? How can my soul be restored unless if the locust was able to eat my soul? So uthi ke David, he restores my soul and he guides me in the path of righteousness. Uyangiholela endleleni zokulunga ngenxa igama lakhe. Lento ke ingenza ngicabange ukuthi kusho ukuthi umphefumulo usudinga ukubuyiswa. Akukho possible uma ungakabuyiswa. It is not possible if my soul has not yet been restored for me to follow him and walk in the path of righteousness. Lamakholwazo ngizwa yini? Akukho lula ukuthi ngahamba endleleni zakhe zokulunga uma umphefumulo wami ungakabuyiswa. Kusho ukuthi awuqala umphefumulo wami ubuyiswe ngokuthi umphefumulo wami ukholwe ngikwazi uhamba endleleni zakhe. He restoreth my soul. Now David understood that a soul, maybe let me first say, David started by saying when he opened this passage, the Lord is my shepherd. So David uqala yena uzilinganisa noma uzifanisa ne-sheep. Ora makanina kadoya. So uDavid uqala uthi I am the sheep because he's my shepherd. Now we look at the characteristic of a sheep. Abo babumbatha ama-farmers will tell you bethi ayikho into eyisidomu njengemvu. Thu ayikho into elibele njengemvu. Imvu uDavid mayethi umalusi wami, because isystem yakhe yokwelusa uDavid yayithi umelusi uhamba phambili, imvu ize ngemumva. And lemvu eza ngemumva kuthiwa bathi ama-farmers injani ilibele. Kusho ukuthi ingqondo yayo ayisebenzisi. Am I saying it right, Bambat? Kusho ukuthi bathi sheep isona silwane esingayisebenzisi ini yayo. Ngilaleleni ke makholo, ngilandeleni nisondele eduze ngoba sesiyathandaza siyahamba. Uthi ke uDavide uJehova ngicela ababili beze lapha salwane bami. If the Lord is my shepherd, ngilibele, I am a sheep. Kusho njobe imvu iship ingayisebenzisa ingqondo yayo, angeke kwenzeke iship iye la idecide ukuya khona. Awunikhona abazalwane ba? Awubukela sodothana ufuna ukufana nemvu. No Kristu Jesu kuthiwa wafana nemvu phambi kwabagundi bakhe. Hayaya. Ngesikhathi imvu ushepherd eyihola, imvu yenza lokho kwenziwa ushepherd. Mayejika ushepherd, imvu ayazi ukuthi kwenziwani, yenza lokho kwenziwa ubani bazalwane bami. Ngoba ingqondo yemvu injani? Ilibele, ilibele, buya. So if the soul ingqondo, if the soul of a sheep start to wander, a shepherd ibona ngani ingqondo ye sheep ukuthi it is starting to wander. Let the shepherd go, let the sheep go. Then the shepherd will stop, and the shepherd will realize that the soul of that sheep is becoming to wander. Then the shepherd goes and restore the soul of a sheep. The Lord restored my soul. When the soul of a sheep is restored, the shepherd uyangihola endleleni zokulunga ngenxa yegama lakhe. Koshala mahaya kulaya mazete kedela mahaya. If your mind is starting to wander tonight, he is here to restore you, to restore your soul, to restore your heart, to restore your emotions, to restore your feelings for his name's sake. The shepherd is not pleased as we're standing on our feet when the sheep begin to wander. The shepherd will stop. Bese thatha intonga nodondo ayibuyise ithi mayifika, and then he restores the soul. Tonight some of us have been praying, but our minds, thank you, have been wandering. Some of us have been waiting on God, thank you so much, but our hearts have been wandering. Some of us have been praying, but our minds abala lokya na lokya. Your mind is wandering. Let your mind believe. Let your heart believe. Sometimes when God gives a restoration, kunezinto evele siyibuke sithi kodwa uthi angithathi ngehaba, uthi angenzi kodwa kakhulu, uthi kodwa ngizokwazi kwenza lena, uthi kodwa lena ngizoyimaintainani. That is the mind beginning to wonder, but he is here tonight to restore your soul so that you can follow the path of righteousness. Lift up your hands unto the Lord. Restore